Mobile apps in the baby industry offer immense opportunities to bring a wide variety of solutions to parents that can help make their lives easier. Hi, I'm Ryan from Webiotic. In this video, we'll cover how to get started in creating the best app for baby development. When setting out to build your own baby app, what type of app are you envisioning? Here are some popular baby app categories so you can see where your app might fit in. Pregnancy apps. As you can imagine, expecting mothers have a lot to think about and plan for with a baby on the way. A big part of those pregnancy cravings include a hunger for information about their baby, being a new parent, eating healthy, and so on. Some popular pregnancy apps will focus exclusively on a baby's week-by-week development, so parents know what to expect at each stage of their pregnancy, while others might focus on preparing mom for giving birth or coming up with baby names. Sleep apps. Ask any parent and they'll tell you one of the hardest things about having a newborn baby is getting him or her to sleep. There are baby training apps that help parents follow a program, complete with instructions and tips that promise to help train babies to sleep better. Other sleep apps focus more on offering parents advice and coaching them on how to put their newborns to sleep using various methods. Food apps. Feeding a baby the right foods is always top of mind for new parents. There are baby apps that help users navigate what foods to give and how much babies can eat as they get bigger. Schedule apps. These apps let users track various baby activities, like when they pooped, when they ate or breastfed and how much, how long they slept and when, and so on. Baby development apps. In just 1 month, babies can go through some incredible developmental changes. There are apps that guide parents through these newborn milestones and when they occur so they know what to expect. Now that we've covered some general baby app categories, let's get more specific and take a look at popular features and functionality the top baby apps have to offer. Search for informative apps that focus on providing new parents with useful content, like baby activities, parenting articles, and so on. It's important to offer the ability to search through the library so users can find what they need with ease. Log activities. For many apps, having a tracking and logging feature is key, especially when it comes to baby scheduling type apps where parents want to stay on top of their baby's progress and schedule. This feature lets parents track various baby activities like feeding, nursing and pumping, diaper changes, sleep patterns, growth records, vaccines, and more. Automatic reminders and a built-in timer are also helpful subcategories. Push notifications. No matter what kind of baby app you plan on creating, it's very likely it'll benefit from sending push notifications to users. This is a major way to retain users and keep them engaged with your app. Data sync. Another great feature the best baby apps offer is the ability to sync data between multiple devices. This makes it much easier for all caregivers to quickly and easily share the baby's information and progress. There's no doubt about it. Opportunities in the baby app market are growing, especially as technology advances. Parents are hungry for the best baby development apps that can solve their problems and help make life with a baby easier. I hope you learned something today about creating the best app for baby development. For more help with your app, subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please like it and share it with others. Thank you for watching.